everyone, I'm Nanni and this is my channel. Welcome to you all. Today we work a little bit on this wonderful truck. I have bought 3 little upgrades and now see what they are. Link in the description and comment, like and subscribe. The upgrades we have are 3 things. Mud guards to mount on the frame. This is a metal skid plate, and these are absolutely unuseful but very nice metal brakes and calipers. Why I decided to have this in metal? Because this is in this condition after 1 hour use, and it's nice to have something metal. So these are the upgrades. 1, 2 and 3. Now we mount them. Just to put it over. This is a protection for the frame. It's wonderful. This became very strong. Screws are long enough to support this extra how do you say, space, and bam. Remember, don't tighten the first screw. First of all, you take it very near to the piece like this, so you can move it, and the other screws goes down very well. You don't have to tighten this too much, because it is into plastic, that it is self-tapping. So once it's quite tight, it's okay. Okay, first one is done. I think it's very nice. How does it feel? Very nice. Then we can mount the mud guards. We change the position of the camera. How is it? How is it? No instructions, so we have to imagine a way to mount them. Ah, yes, with this screw. Very easy. Very good product. This is gummy, very soft, 3D printed. Wonderful. And they give you a longer screw. Well, as later we have to work on this. Oh, now it's much more better. We have room enough to work. It's like working in a real car. You see, I go inside the car. Okay, this is the screw, and they give me 4 more screws, 1 washer and 2 self-tapping bolts. So the screws are quite the same. Okay, this is the original one. Take apart. 1, 2, 3. This is what we need to mount this in this position, then the screw is here. It's not so easy. First, I would like to have the head of the screw by this side. And the bolt here inside. Okay, wow, lost. It's in my shoe. Found it. If I do this before, and it much more easy, comes out a little bit just to find the other hole. When this is perfectly against this one, you stop. It's okay. Then the other one here under. Okay, done. Elastic, nice, perfect. Now we have to change this disc, and this is mounted with. It's the first time I work on this car. This, the big one or the little one? The little one. Okay. It comes everything together. And this is not so stupid to change this caliper, because if you want to have them, it's possible. Using on my track the car, I found this, and this is a broken caliper, this rear wheel, so the plastic is not so strong. Hey, look how nice is it. Wonderful. Then it's very easy to mount. 1, 2, 3, and the screw. Here, by this side. Where is it? The hole. 1. Okay. Very nice. I love this. Much more better than plastic. Now the wheel, track. Okay. How does it look? Can you see inside? It's quite shining and realistic. Okay, part of the work is done. Now I have to do discs on the front and the other wheel, the other mudguard, and my UDR will be a little bit upgraded. I do the work, then return back. The work is done. We have a new skid plate cover in inox. We have brake disc and caliper in metal. And we have also these beautiful mud guards. This is the nicest thing I think I'm very happy. Comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Up to the next. Now I see better because these glasses are for looking very near their lenses.